As a homeowner in Richmond, VA, a functioning furnace is crucial for a warm and comfortable home. However, a furnace making noise can be a cause for concern. In this video, we'll discuss common causes of furnace noise, DIY checks you can perform, and the importance of regular maintenance. We'll also provide guidance on furnace repair and replacement, as well as a practical checklist to help you stay on top of furnace maintenance. Whether you're experiencing minor issues or significant malfunctions, it's essential to address furnace noise promptly to prevent further damage and ensure your safety. Watch until the end to learn more and schedule an appointment with an HVAC technician in Richmond, VA.